Hotel and Garden Makati. So this is our hotel. So we can get a free steak coffee.
Shut the door. Yes.
So this is what we get, free coffee with City Garden Hotel. They have a black coffee and then a little sink or little lavatory, and then there is a two Mr. and Mrs. glass. So wow, it's nice. So in the end, this is I want really. Wow, a big, but actually guys, this is really not our oh wow, there was an iron here. That's nice, very good. So they have it's very nice. They have ironing stuff here, and this is our little refrigerator, and then that is my legs. Oh my god. By the way guys, this is our hotel. So this is our bed, but this is only for this is deluxe, right? So that is not really our book bed, because we have a executive queen size of bed, but it's not available for today's video. So by the way guys, that is tomorrow, so we get that tomorrow because we staying here for 3 days. So this is, if you want to take a picture there on that side, you can sit there and relax. And then here our TV.
Luggage.
Yes, our TV. May asawa going to get our luggage. So, and then there's another that is if you don't close the door, if you don't lock it, and then you buzzer. So this is a connection door here. So this is guys, so actually you have separate you have separate table here if you're doing coffee, or do you this one decides that if you're doing like doing something with your laptop. So this is guys, so by the way, I will show you around outside here. We are here in, you can see the city of Makati. So that is guys, and then that is another condominium. That is condominium hotel. So this is guys. So and then here I will show you around. I will put my bag there. There was a table, there was a little table here. If you're cleaning service, you need to call them, request. You can request, help us to protect our environment. So that any request for lining, so you can request also. So this is the telephone number to connect to them. So by the way guys, I will show you the bathroom. Chadang! So oh wow, very cute really. So actually guys, so I thought my first impression a while ago is not good really, but now he is. Wow, there was a bathtub here. Oh, this is I like. And then they have intercom if you want to do something outside or that. So, and then they have very cute. And then, of course, our collection soup. Just only one towel and then toothbrush. Just only one, guys. So this is it, our room. And that's it's me. And a big. So it is so nice. Even it's a while ago I got not good impression, but it's good. So it's not too open to have a ironing or curd bee. Also, this is it's not very open, so that you can have a iron stand and then iron if you do for ironing. So this is what you get. So they have bathtub. So they have bathtub and they have bathtub. So this is, guys, so you can have this a cross register here. The footing, very nice, really. It's good. So I thought it's not good a while ago, but now, and then there was a sleeper there downstairs. So this is it. It's very nice. So here my asawa get our luggage downstairs. So by the way, guys, it is good also. Very nice. So I will show you tomorrow our really room. So this is only for, so for this our room, we can get a compensation.
Compensation.
Compis.
Computation. Forget.
Yeah, I mean we got
Free breakfast.
compensation for free breakfast tomorrow because they don't allow to have a free breakfast here. So but since they have we can get our book today, so we have a compensation tomorrow for free breakfast. So that is, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching.